Welcome to 1051 Manhattan Court here in Sunnyvale in the highly desirable area of Cherry Chase. This is listed by Lori Orion of Sotheby's International Realty. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1596 square foot, sitting on a 6,300 square foot lot, offered at $2,798,000. Let's take a quick look at the outside. Let's check out the landscaping. This looks like pretty minimal, drought-proof landscaping. Just a bunch of mulch and a couple cactus here and there. Let's take a quick look at the neighborhood. It is sitting on a corner lot. The roof looks to be in good shape. And let's check it out inside. So as soon as you come in, here immediately to the right, you have this open living room area, as you can see, nicely staged. Big skylight. Lots of natural lighting in here. It's a nice sunny day here in Sunnyvale, about 75 degrees today. Let's come on over to this side. This is your formal dining area with some built-in shelving. Let's check out what's in here. Some more storage. We have a nice big window here overlooking the front of the property. And check out this nice glass feature here. I know that was popular in the homes in the 50s and 60s. Another big skylight. Here is your HVAC closet. Kenmore unit. Moving over to the kitchen, you do have this waist-high mini counter island. Some light blue cabinetry here. It is equipped for gas stove. Again, another big skylight. This, I assume, would be where your microwave would go. You get some track lighting up here. Some recessed LED lights up here. Those look like 2 to 3 inch. And you have another area, another dining area here. As you can see, it is currently staged. Let's come on into the laundry room. You do have a stackable washer and dryer unit here. Sylvania panel. Some more storage over on this side. And one full bathroom here. Like a shower here. Let's turn off that exhaust fan. Another look at the dining area. And another angle of the kitchen. As you guys can see, this layout is pretty open. The new buyers definitely can choose what they want to do with this layout and how they want to remodel it if they choose to. You could probably knock this wall down right here and open it up even more. All right, let's make our way over to the bedrooms. This is our first bedroom. Let's check out these windows. They look like Anderson windows. Bathroom number 2. Again, huge skylight. Very bright in here. You really don't even need to have the lights on in here, especially with this white paint. Bedroom number 2. This one's nice because it sits in the corner, so you have one window here and one window overlooking the backyard. You do get your closet right here. And let's check out the last bedroom. This one is probably the biggest one out of the 3. Again, you get your closet here, 2 windows, one overlooking the front of the property. Another shot of the living room here in the entryway. And let's make our way back into the backyard. Nice sliding doors here. And a little deck area. Check out the exterior of the house. Stucco. Again, they do have this low maintenance landscaping. A bunch of mulch. Looks like some fruit trees back here. This I know, this should be a pomegranate tree. As a matter of fact, I can see one right there. This will give a bunch of fruit here in the coming months. Here goes another fruit tree. This looks like some type of green apples. So as you guys know, Sunnyvale used to be a bunch of orchards, apricots, plums. So this soil was very fertile. Some of these fruit trees have been here for decades. Let's check out this closet here. What's in here? Okay. You have your water heater in this closet outside. Another look at this frosted glass from the exterior of the house. And you have your gas meter down here. Let's wrap around to the other side. This looks like the detached garage. Let's see if we can get inside. Another look at the exterior of the house. All right. So this is the detached garage. It's a one-car garage. Looks like they had a little shop set up here. This door looks pretty new. It must have been replaced or installed fairly recently. And let's see what's on this side of the house. We do get some rose bushes over here. And a lime tree. So we have limes, we have green apples, we have pomegranates, rose bushes, and I'm sure I missed a couple of these fruit trees. Let's take another look at the exterior. You have your gutter here. Another look at the detached garage. Let's lock it up here. One more go around of the inside. And let's make our way back out to the front of the house. Again, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1596 square feet, sitting on a 6,300 square foot corner lot here in the highly desirable neighborhood of Cherry Chase. Top schools, centrally located. Let me know what you guys think of this house in the comment. Let me know if you guys are enjoying these home tours. I'll see you guys at the next home tour.